Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, ensure that your Rowenta RO8324 is unplugged for safety. Start by gathering the necessary tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Now, let's move to the first step, removing the dust container. Press the release button located on the side of the vacuum and gently pull it out. This is crucial for accessing the filter. Next, locate the HEPA filter. It is usually positioned at the top of the dust container. Carefully twist the filter counterclockwise to remove it. If you notice any dust buildup, now is the time to clean it. Use the soft cloth to wipe away any debris. If your filter appears damaged or excessively dirty, consider replacing it with a new one. Remember, maintaining the filter is essential for the vacuum's performance. While you're at it, check the foam filter. This is often overlooked but plays a vital role in capturing larger particles. Remove it similarly by unscrewing the cap or pulling it out gently. Rinse it under warm water, allowing it to air dry completely before reinstallation. If you prefer, we also offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our experts can assist you with any concerns regarding your vacuum. Now, let's move on to the internal cleaning of your Rowenta. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew the back panel of the vacuum. This will give you access to the motor area. Be cautious while doing this, as you don't want to damage any components. Once removed, use a soft brush or cloth to clean away dust and debris from the motor and surrounding areas. After cleaning, replace the back panel and secure it with screws. It's important to ensure everything is tightly fastened to avoid any internal issues. If you don't have the tools or feel unsure about this process, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home. No calls, no travel, just convenience at your fingertips. Once everything is clean and secure, reinsert the HEPA filter back into the dust container, twisting it clockwise until it clicks into place. Make sure the dust container is also clean before reattaching it to the vacuum. A well-maintained vacuum ensures efficient suction and longevity of your device. Finally, plug in your Rowenta RO8324 and perform a quick test run to ensure it's functioning properly. If you encounter any issues, we provide a quote before repair, allowing you to make informed decisions on any necessary fixes. Regular maintenance not only extends the life of your vacuum but also enhances its cleaning power. Make this a routine to keep your home spotless and your vacuum in top condition. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.